John Bonham here, Cape Cod Wet Shaving. Monday monologue, coffee of the day. Look what's out. Starbucks pumpkin spice. I do like anything pumpkin spice, including Starbucks. All right, I'm gonna be doing, as I said, Monday monologue, kind of review-ish kind of thing, for a set that I procured a while ago and I have yet to use, so I'm gonna be using that today. And that set is going to be Children of Lear from Murphy and McNeil. Almost said Crown and Crane. Can't wait for that one. Real quick, if you don't mind, baby photo. I just took that this morning. That's Kalen. He's on his way to 12 weeks old, if you can believe it already. Time flies, man. If y'all have kids, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, it goes by like that. Ow. That's cracked my knuckle. Anywho, okay, so let me get into it. I know I'm behind on videos. I'm very sorry. It's just been really hectic. I am planning a history shave this Thursday, okay? And it's going to be a pretty cool one, I think. So please bear with me. Let me go through my software real quick, and I'll get into the monologue part. So pre-shave that I already have on, citrus from Subtle Art Soap, Children of Lear soap, Children of Lear aftershave splash, and unfortunately they did not come out with a post-shave balm, which they usually do. So for this one, I'm going to be using Amber Woods from Crown and Crane. All right. And the reason for that is because the scent notes of this are bitter orange, lavender, clary sage, spearmint, amber, Abroxan, which is a woody cedar kind of scent, almost pine, and it's one of the scent notes and a derivative of ambergris. Okay, so because of that amber and because of the citrus and all that, that's why I mixed up the citrus, pre-shave oil, and blah, blah, blah. It is an homage to Rossa For Men. Never smelled that in my life. Have no idea. It smells good, I'm assuming. And it's still available as of the viewing of this video for $49.99 a set. So you get the set if you want to, which is what I did. Excuse me. And it is Kodiak based. Has all kinds of goodies in it. Has tallow, beef tallow, potassium stearate, I believe, tallow bear, duck fat, goat milk, all kinds of goodies, man. So it's good stuff. All right, so let me get into lathering. I'm gonna be always empty these out so the water doesn't get all stagnant. I am going to be probably doing one pass on camera. Not 2 passes, 3 passes, or 2 and a touch-up, just to save time. These videos are too long for really a monologue thing. So, oh, hardware. I forget the name of this. West Coast Shaving Stubby, I guess, chubby, like the Colonel Conk, but it is bigger than the Colonel Conk. Excuse me again. And the blade I'm going to be using is Silver Star. I've never used these. This is the first time I've used these. I bought these on a whim, never heard of them, so I'm going to give them a shot, okay? Alrighty. That smells good. There's the pour. Pretty cool looking, huh? And the label got me. I really like that label a lot. And there is the ingredients, if you want to pause that and check it out. Oh, there's cal and clay in there. Sweet. Shea butter, lanolin. Man, there's all kinds of goodies in here. All right, let's get to lather. Oh, and my brush. Using my Vilong horsehair. I have very much gotten into horsehair brushes. I really, really like them. I think they're vastly underrated. I don't see a ton of people use them. I wish I did, so I'm kind of on a horsehair crusade. I have a Samogue black horsehair, and I have my eye on a couple other ones. So, can't wait for that. Hope everyone's been great. So I haven't done videos. I've really just kind of thrown myself into summer with the kids. I've been tired. I just really didn't have the initiative to do them. And I'm not really going to push myself to do something I really don't feel like doing, because then I personally think it'll affect the quality of the video. Because I've done videos on here where I'm just tired, or you can tell that I'm just out of it. And I've gone back and watched those before. I just really almost wish I hadn't done them. So I figured I'd rather make y'all wait for a better video than be consistent with half-assed ones. If that makes sense. So 5 minutes. Man, this is gonna be quick. Where was I? Oh, so the baby's still giving us hard times with sleeping. I'm up on an average now of 3 to 4 in the morning, and I'll get Jess up only around that time if I just can't do it anymore, or I feel like I'm gonna fall asleep on him, which I'm not gonna do. But usually I'll get him to bed, and then I'll just sleep on the couch, and that way, you know, I'm better at taking power naps than she is. So it's funny, 4 kids, and he is easily the most difficult out of the 4 of them as an infant. You think you got it down, man, and then you get thrown for a loop by a kid you've never experienced. Gotta love it. All right, this stuff already smells fantastic. I've never seen anyone else use this. Whoa, shed a hair. Couple of hairs. This is still a pretty new brush. I've used it a few times, but it's still shedding a little bit. All right. You're gonna get almost a grapefruity citrus right off the bat. I don't smell the lavender really, but I think it blends with the citrus pretty well. It's probably why I don't smell it too much. I do like the Kodiak base. I think Murphy & McNeil puts out great stuff. I believe Murphy & McNeil is Ben from Soap Thing's favorite artisan. Hello, Ben. Hope you're safe over there, buddy. Military guy, Air Force. I was on his Thoughts podcast. It was a nice chat we had, especially off camera and without the mic on stuff. He and I hit it off, man. He's a really cool guy. He cracks me up because he says that his personality is just very cut and dry and rubs a lot of people the wrong way. I love it. So keep being you, buddy. Anyway. I do get the ambergris, or the Abroxan, not Abroxan, Abroxan. This is a bit of a softer soap. So, going between tub and water here. Now, that's something that Ben does not like, is the tub loading. Oh, and later this evening, 10 o'clock my time, 7 o'clock Pacific, I will be on Shaved In with Millennial Shaver, and I will be giving a tour of my Shaved In, which is something I never thought I'd do. I'm not big on showing off my set, my collection, really, just because I have it for me, not to go out of my way to get people to ooh and ah over, you know what I mean? And not everyone's like that, I get it. There's some people though, like just the other day, there was a guy that bought like 3 sets, 4 sets of something because it was on sale. I'm not going to say who it was. And he was like, man, what a great deal. And the artisan said, yeah, you know, thank you very much, appreciate it, all that stuff. And he said something along the lines of, you know, I got 300 sets, what's 4 more, ha ha. It just sounded kind of arrogant, I don't know. That's just me. Hope this doesn't rub anyone the wrong way. I remember when I first started, I ran into a lot of that, and it just bothered me. Only because it made me feel inadequate and just not frustrated. It deterred me from wanting to reach out and talk to people because I felt inadequate, or just that it'd be a waste of their time. Like, here's these guys with these massive sets and all this know-how, and they've been at it for years. Why would I reach out to someone like that? You know, I don't know if that makes sense. It's probably just in my head, but that's how I felt. So that really made me just appreciate it for having it and using it, not for showing it. But Enrique and I met because he had posted about what people use for storage. And I thought he was asking for advice, or maybe he was, I can't remember. But I remember telling him what I used for shelving. And he reached out to me immediately and wanted to see, you know, a photo of what I do for my den. And I obliged, and that's how we met and got to talking. And then he started his Shaved In live show, and he invited me to come on. I'm flattered that he asked me, so I said yes. And that'll be tonight. It's like episode 12, I believe. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to finish my shave, and then I'll do post, okay? Man, that Kodiak base is unbelievable. So you do get the spearmint mixed with, it's either the sage or the, keep wanting to say ambergris. It's not ambergris, it's a derivative of it, the Abroxan. Abroxan. And it's really nice. It's pretty green. I like it. Now the splash, let's see. I think you get the amber right out. See how that goes. Oh man. Yep. Amber. Definitely get the amber. Some of the orange too. Almost smells vanilla. I like that. So you get the green and the spearmint and all that stuff, the woody elements in the soap. Then you get more of the sweet orange and the amber and the splash. It's the way to do it. I don't know why I don't see anyone else really using this set or showcasing it, at least. It's really good. It's definitely unique. I'm kind of curious about the cologne. I don't think it smells really like a cologne scent. In my opinion, it smells just like a, I don't know, a nice, when would I use this? I would use this in spring. I might even use this in autumn. I don't know. Those silver stars aren't bad. Not bad at all. All right. So if you like greenish, a bit woody, that I personally love that spearmint tossed in there. That made it, gave it a little bit of a pop, a little bit of a kick. I like that. If you like that kind of a green, woody element to it, you'll like this stuff. I really like it. It's different. I almost used Batters Up on here, Noble Otter. And I think I'm going to next Monday monologue or Tuesday reviews day or whatever. I don't even know how to do those anymore because this is kind of a review. Oh, I put way too much. Liz's Balms, less is more. Oh, that blends really well too. Whew, that's good stuff. Amber Woods. All right. Great shave. Man, oh man, I need some more Murphy and McNeil. There's another one I have, I forget the name of it. It's a gourmand. And I'm picky about the gourmands. I need to use apricot pie. That's another one I want to do on here. Master Soap Creations and Pasture. I'm all over the place here. Yeah, that'll do it. I'm not going to drag this out any longer. Really nice. Oh, quick shout out to my Texas brethren. This is a gift from my sister. She went to A&M. She's a nurse. She sent me that. I don't know, Texas Aggie was probably visible, so y'all saw that a long time ago, but try to pick out a shirt on camera. And please excuse my appearance. I look like freaking Boris Johnson. Just got out of the shower. All right, that'll do it. Thursday, I'm gonna definitely have a history shave. If not Thursday, I'm gonna try for it. But if not Thursday, definitely this week sometime. And please tune in to that Shaved In thing at 10 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Pacific. All right, if you get a chance. I know those are weird hours, but I'm gonna get the Western crowd for the most part. All right, y'all take care. Thank you very much for watching. Really appreciate it. Children of Lear, give it a shot. It's definitely unique. It's a cologne dupe, but I don't think it smells like a cologne dupe, which I really like. That's why I like Crown and Crane, because she does cologne dupes, but from the ground up, where it just doesn't, it smells like a natural, if that makes sense, not artificial. So it's basically what that smells like. It smells really good. All right, guys, take care. Happy summer. Happy shaving. Till next time. See you later.